Hi, let us do the pre-market analysis for 13th May, that is Friday. As you all know, today was a beautiful trending day towards the downside. One thing you should know when market opens the gap down or gap up, and if it wants to go trending, it will not waste any time. As you can see, market made a red candle, and in the next candle only, market broke the candle low and started coming down. Market did not take any time or didn't waste any time for coming down. That is one thing we should notice. If market wants to move in a trending day, then it not waste any time. As you all know, today was there was no chance for buyers to disturb the sellers. Market was in a flow, and market this is a very good downtrend. Came down, it made a price action or took a pullback, and again it broke the swing and came down. This is very healthy or very good downtrend signal. So market is still in a downtrend. You can see there are more sellers. There is as of today's moment, by seeing today's moment, I can say reversing from this level is a bit more difficult. I'll share a small tip with you guys. Market doesn't like everyone to trade the trend. You see, the previous day was morning session was it was showing that it will come down, and suddenly it made a huge buying in. There was a huge buying in the market, and the next this was a very volatile day, and the next day market opened gap down and made a trending downtrend day. What you can see is market in the second session, market was very bullish. Market eliminated the traders who were planning to buy the market. Even if the traders who planned for buying, thinking that here the market reversed very huge, the buyers are very huge, they would have exited somewhere around here, or whatever the stop loss they have kept, they would have exited, which helps the market to even further move down. Because if they buy here, somewhere they should sell, which helps the market to further go down. Okay, that is one point. And the second types of traders which market didn't allow to trade is market opened with a huge capital. Market opened with a capital of 470 points. See, many of them think that market has given momentum of 450 to 500 points in here, and it is a weekly expiry. Then still, how much market can go down? Market has raised supports here, and here. There is a 34,000 level here. Market cannot go down. The more probability trade was shorting calls. They would have made money, but who bought the puts made the most money because it was a trending day, and in on expiry trending day means we will get more profit. Now I have told about the traders who planned for buying trade, and the traders who thought the big gap down only took all the momentum and the market could be sideways. Market eliminated two types of traders. Okay, the main thing which you should keep in mind is the trend. As you all know, the main trend of the market is downtrend, but market was in a downtrend here, and market went to sideways here. See, this was a crucial resistance, but market showed as if it was going to give a breakout on the upside. See, market took resistance, support, resistance, market to support and moved fastly near until the resistance zone. It didn't break. Okay, that is the main point. They think that market will give breakout and they will hold the calls here, because there is another thing is that if today market was downward trending days, market has that think that if market goes in any direction in trending, either in upside or downside, the next day market will if market moved in uptrend, then 80% of the times market will open cap up only. The same goes with downtrend. If market went downtrend downwards, 80% of the chance there is a chance of market opening gap down. Again, suddenly market opened gap down. They didn't expect this, so they should cover their position that they are selling. So market came fastly down, and market gave breakout to the downside, which triggered the fresh sellers to come, and market went downtrend. Everyone sees the same chart. How you see the way you see the chart is the important. See, market was in downtrend. How could you expect even before making any confirmation, you should not take any trade against the trend. Okay, you should always be with the trend. If market trade downwards, then you could have hold here. Then the probability of your trade will be higher because market trading is a game of probability. You will lose or make money. You should see how many times if you're taking any trade, you should see the chances or probability of you making money than you're losing money. If you lose money, how much percentage you are losing. In a downward trend, if you hold see, the risk is very high because a market can open at 800 to 1000 points gap down, but market will rarely open 800 to 1000 points gap up. Okay, that means a downward trending day, a market will never open 800 or 500 to 800 points gap up. Yeah, rather there will be a overnight very good news for the market. Okay, you should see first. You should see the trend. The trend is your friend. As today was the trending day, and tomorrow is Friday. Mostly market will be sideways. So take a rest, take a good weekend rest. I think all of you made money today.